A picnic with friends. The sun was shining brightly in the little village of Meadowbrook, and the air was filled with the scent of blooming flowers. It was the perfect day for a picnic, and Lucy, a cheerful girl with a big imagination, couldn't wait to gather her friends for the occasion. She ran to her neighbor Sam's house first. "Sam, grab your kite. We're going to have a picnic by the lake," she said excitedly. Sam, always ready for an adventure, nodded eagerly. Next, they visited Ella, who loved baking. "Bring those cookies you made yesterday," Lucy suggested. Ella smiled and packed a tin full of warm chocolate chip cookies. Before long, the little group had grown. Ben brought a blanket, Mia packed some lemonade, and Max carried a basket of fruit his mother had prepared. Together, they marched to the lake, laughing and chatting along the way. When they arrived, they spread out the blanket under a big, shady tree. The lake sparkled in the sunlight, and the soft breeze made everything feel magical. As they unpacked the food, Lucy suggested they share stories while they ate. Sam told a funny story about the time his kite got stuck in a tree, and everyone laughed. Ella shared a tale about a mischievous squirrel that had stolen her bread once. Even quiet Mia chimed in with a story about her puppy chasing butterflies. After eating, they played games by the water. Sam's kite soared high. Ben and Max tried skipping stones, and Lucy and Ella picked wildflowers to make crowns. Time seemed to fly, and before they knew it, the sky turned a soft orange as the sun began to set. As they packed up to leave, Lucy looked around at her friends. "This was the best day ever," she said. The others nodded, agreeing wholeheartedly. Walking back to the village, they carried more than just their empty baskets and kites. They carried memories of laughter, stories, and the joy of being together. It was a day they would always cherish, a reminder of how simple moments with friends could create the happiest adventures.